Well, hello there. Good afternoon. It's your favorite realtor slash retired Navy vet Squid here again. About to show you guys 2,600 square foot home in Marysville. The moment you walk in, it feels roomy. I know it's 2,600 square feet, but some 2,600 square feet homes are just little compact. You could pretty much come in and say that the front room could be the formal living room, or you can even use it as a family gathering room, for a lack of a better term, right? And you walk through the hallway, you'll see that that kitchen looks, not like the backsplash, but it all depends on the buyer, right? And again, you could use this as a family room with its own gas fireplace or the front of the home, whichever case the buyer wants to do with it. The back lot, right? This is what most new homes are in now. Developers want to make money and they try to squeeze in as much homes as they can on the lot. And you'll see it does have a great view. I actually live 2 blocks down that direction. So the golf course is right there. The Tulalip hillsides are right there. And I-5 is just like 4 miles from us. And on the other side is Highway 9, which is literally a quarter of a mile from us, or less. You start going upstairs. Here's where most of us want to live. The bedrooms. It's 4-bed, 2.5 bed. Oh, there's yours truly right there. Okay, that's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, full bath. You go around right up here. You'll see the 3rd bedroom right up there, and this is the full master bedroom with a full suite 5-piece bath section. Ta-da! Right there, showers. Ooh, walking. Oh, that is a huge closet. Right on. Would be nice if that was the pantry. But anyway, so ta-da! Whoops, they didn't see that. I knew that was there. So this is basically what a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,600 square foot home looks like in my little section of the woods. See the golf course right up there? You're into golf, you can just push your cart down the hill and you'll get to the golf course. All right, so you guys take care. You guys got any questions about homes? Not just this home, but any home, anything about real estate, inspections, lendings, closings, titles, escrows. You got it. Send me a note. Post.